Molweni, kule video sizawufunda clicks. In this video we will learn the clicks. There are three basic clicks in the Xhosa language. The first one we will look at is that is the letter C. So if you want to pronounce this one, you can just almost bite your tongue and pull it back like this. That's how we pronounce the letter C. And for the letter X, you put the tongue on the roof of your mouth and suck in air with from the sides of the tongue. So it's just like the sound of a camera. And the last one is just like the sound that a cricket ball makes when it hits the bat. And to pronounce this one, you put the tip of your tongue on the roof. So you basically put just the tip of the tongue and pull while you pull it down, I'd say harshly or violently. So yeah, those are the clicks. Practice them. Have a nice day. Cheers.